In this video, I'm going to show you how you can submit in-app translation feedback. So let's say you are selling your SaaS in another language that is not English, Spanish, Portuguese, German, whatever it is, and you see translation issues. You can now submit feedback with one click of a button so HighLevel can fix these translation issues. Please note that this feature is only visible for agency admins or users. It's not visible for your clients who have purchased a location from you. It's also only visible if the language is not set to English. So let me show you how this looks like. So first, make sure and confirm that you're logged in as an agency owner or admin and your language is not in English. Then open the page where the translation issue appears. And then click the report translation issue, which is this one in the top right corner, the purple one. The content of the panel will appear in the selected platform language. Please make sure you attach a screenshot that clearly shows the problematic area and its location. This is mandatory. Then click the drop-down menu and select the issue type. For example, incorrect translation, grammar, or incorrect formatting. Please also add a brief description and more details to the case that you've discovered. For example, the button translation for schedule now button is incorrect and should be jetzt planen or whatever the language is. Please also let HighLevel know where did you see this. Please also make sure to select the section and the path. For example, marketing, social planner, Instagram. And as a last step, just simply click report issue. You will be informed once the issue has been resolved. Please again note that this feature is only visible for agency owners and users. It will not be visible to your customers. And also please note it will only be visible if the language is not set to English. Thank you so much for helping HighLevel with its internationalization, implementation, and I will see you in the next video.